Hello everyone, are you looking to enhance your bike's aerodynamics for faster riding? Let's find out. Improving your bike's aerodynamics can significantly boost your speed and efficiency on the road, making it a key consideration for cyclists aiming to maximize performance. Aerodynamics plays a crucial role in reducing wind resistance, allowing you to maintain higher speeds with less effort. Whether you're a competitive racer, a time trialist, or simply seeking to improve your cycling performance, optimizing your bike's aerodynamics can help you achieve faster and more efficient rides. Let's delve into some strategies for enhancing your bike's aerodynamics and unlocking your full riding potential. One effective way to improve your bike's aerodynamics is by optimizing your riding position and body posture. Adopting a more aerodynamic posture, such as lowering your torso and tucking your elbows in, can reduce frontal surface area and minimize drag. By keeping your body streamlined and reducing air resistance, you can increase your speed and efficiency, particularly when riding at higher velocities or facing headwinds. Experiment with different riding positions to find the optimal balance between aerodynamics and comfort, ensuring that you maintain proper biomechanics and avoid strain or discomfort during extended rides. Another key factor in enhancing bike aerodynamics is selecting aerodynamically optimized components and equipment. Upgrading to aerodynamic wheels, frames, handlebars, and other bike components can significantly reduce drag and improve overall performance. Look for bike components with streamlined shapes, aerodynamic profiles, and wind tunnel-tested designs to minimize turbulence and maximize efficiency. Additionally, consider investing in aerodynamic clothing and accessories, such as sleek helmets, skin suits, and aerodynamic shoe covers, to further enhance your bike's aerodynamics and reduce wind resistance. Furthermore, optimizing tire selection and tire pressure can contribute to improved bike aerodynamics and riding efficiency. Choose tires with smooth tread patterns and lower rolling resistance to minimize friction and drag on the road surface. Additionally, adjusting tire pressure to the optimal level for your weight and riding conditions can further reduce rolling resistance and enhance overall bike performance. By optimizing tire selection and pressure, you can maximize speed, efficiency, and handling characteristics, particularly during high-speed riding or racing situations. Proper bike maintenance and cleanliness also play a crucial role in optimizing aerodynamics and reducing drag. Ensure that your bike is clean and free of dirt, debris, and excess lubricant that can create aerodynamic disturbances and increase drag. Pay attention to details such as cleaning and lubricating the drivetrain, aligning brake calipers, and adjusting cable routing to minimize aerodynamic disruptions and maintain optimal performance. Additionally, regularly inspecting and replacing worn-out components, such as bearings, cables, and seals, can help ensure smooth operation and minimize mechanical drag, contributing to improved bike aerodynamics and riding efficiency. In summary, improving your bike's aerodynamics is essential for achieving faster and more efficient riding performance. By optimizing your riding position, selecting aerodynamically optimized components, optimizing tire selection and pressure, and maintaining proper bike cleanliness and maintenance, you can reduce drag, minimize wind resistance, and unlock your full riding potential. Whether you're racing against the clock or striving for personal bests, optimizing bike aerodynamics can help you achieve faster speeds, improved efficiency, and enhanced overall performance on the road. So, consider implementing these strategies to take your riding to the next level and enjoy the thrill of faster, more aerodynamic cycling. Thank you for watching. Please follow for more related videos and see you later. Goodbye.